Is a media and democracy. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing the news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. डेमोक्रेसी में मीडिया का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है जो कि हमको प्रोवाइड करता है जिससे कि हम न्यूज़ और जो इवेंट्स उसको डिस्कस कर सके कि कौन सा इवेंट हमारी कंट्री के कौन से पार्ट में हो रहा है और कौन से वर्ल्ड में क्या इवेंट चल रहा है. It is on the basis of the information that citizens can, for example, learn how government works, and often, if they wish to, they can take the action on the basis of these news stories. जैसे कि हम देखेंगे कि कैसे गवर्नमेंट सरकार काम करती है और अगर वो चाहे तो कैसे एक्शंस चेंज कर सकती है और न्यूज़ की स्टोरी बदल सकती है. Some of the ways in which they can do this is by writing letter to be concerned minister, organizing a public protest, starting a signature campaign, asking the government to rethink its program, etc. Giving the role that the media play in providing the information, it is important that the information be balanced. जो मीडिया को एक रोल दे रखा है कि वो इन्फॉर्मेशन को प्रोवाइड करे तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इन्फॉर्मेशन बैलेंस्ड रहे. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी मीन बाय द बैलेंस मीडिया. तो यहाँ हम समझेंगे कि बैलेंस मीडिया का मतलब क्या है. रिपोर्टेड बाय रीडिंग टू वर्जन ऑफ द सेम न्यूज़ इवेंट गिवन ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो यहाँ पर दो अलग अलग रिपोर्ट दे रखी है, न्यूज़ ऑफ इंडिया रिपोर्ट एंड इंडिया डेली रिपोर्ट. सो पहले हम रीड करेंगे न्यूज़ ऑफ इंडिया रिपोर्ट. क्रैक डाउन ऑन पुलिंग on polluting the factories, protesters block the roads and disrupt the traffic. So प्रोटेस्टर ने रोड को सड़क को ब्लॉक कर दिया और जिस वजह से बहुत ट्रैफिक लग गया यानी जाम लग गया. राधिका मलिक. Violent protest by the owners and the workers brought the city to a standstill today. People getting to work could not do so on time because of huge traffic jams. लोग अपना काम समय पर नहीं कर पा रहे क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा ट्रैफिक जाम लगा है. The owners and the workers are protesting the government decisions to close down the polluting factory units. Although the government did not take this decision rather hastily, the protesters have known for quite some time and their units are not legal. Moreover, the level of pollution in the city will be greatly reduced by this closure. Mr. Jain is a well-known figure in the city, said, with our city gradually becoming India's new biggest hub, it is important that it be a clean and green city. Polluting factories should be moved. The factory owners and workers should accept the relocation after being offered by the government instead of the protesting. और जो सेकंड रिपोर्ट है जो इंडिया डेली रिपोर्ट में आई है वो है क्लोजर ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज कॉजेस अनरेस्ट. द क्लोजर ऑफ 1 lakh फैक्ट्रीज इन द सिटी residential area is likely to become a serious issue. On Monday, thousands of factory owners and the workers took to the street to strongly protest this closure. They said that their livelihood would be lost. They say that the fault lies with the municipal corporation because it continued to issue license for the new factories to be set up in the residential area. They also say that there were no accurate relocation efforts. The owners and the workers plan a one-day city bandh to protest against this closure. Mr. Sharma, one of the factory owners, said the government says that it has been done a lot to relocate us, but the area they have sent us to have no facilities and have not been developed for the last 5 years.